My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Honda Jazz. This vehicle has done just over 24,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the home screen we can see that we have features such as smartphone integration, information, audio and settings. If we click here, we can also view our 12 different applications. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.